Pancreatitis occurs when the pancreas, which is located in the abdomen, behind the liver and stomach, gets inflamed. The pancreas plays an important role in regulating blood sugar levels and produces essential enzymes that allow the body to digest nutrients from the food we eat. Hi everyone, it's Genene, and here are 5 easy yoga poses that you can do to help support your pancreas. Of course, you check with your doctor first. Let's get started. Number 1, deep breathing to reduce stress and anxiety. Deep breathing. You could go on for 20 pages on how we breathe. Here's the truncated version. In this deep breathing version, we want to have all the muscles that we use to breathe to work in unison. This is not about simply pushing the belly out to inhale, for example. The diaphragm is a large dome-shaped muscle that is located at the bottom of your lungs. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts. You release the abdominal muscles. This causes the belly to move a little and the lungs fill with air. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes. The abdominals contract, forcing air out of the lungs. So try that. As you exhale all your air out, you feel the abdominal muscles contract. And let's inhale. The abdominal muscles release, the diaphragm contract, and you feel your lungs filling with air completely and fully, from belly to top of chest. Everything working together. Deep, 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 deep breath here. And now exhale the breath and feel how the abdominal muscles are contracting. The diaphragm is relaxing and all the air is getting pushed out of your lungs. If you prefer, you can count this out. You could inhale to the count of 8, exhale to the count of 8. If that's too difficult, you start maybe with a count of inhaling to 6. 1, try it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the very top, you fully filled your lungs, and then you're exhaling just as slowly. Feel the abdominals contracting, helping you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then keep going with that you can do this for several minutes and just increasing the time. So adding a count of 7, adding a count of 8, slowing down your count, and that's number 1. Number 2 helps promote flexibility and spinal health. Come to all fours, cat-cow. Wrist underneath shoulders, knees underneath hip bones. We're moving just the spine in this one. Tilt the top rim of your pelvis forward on an inhale. Lift your chest, lift your gaze. After a full inhale, exhale, pulling the belly in, rounding the spine, tilting the top rim of your pelvis back, tailbone goes down. And that is 1 round. You are going to do that 3 or 4 times. Number 3 will help us open the chest and strengthen the back. So we're going to give you an option first before you go into it. It's called Bhujangasana Cobra. Lie on your bellies. And we'll begin with Shalabhasana, locust pose, which is no hands. So bring your arms by your side. Legs down, inhale, lift your chest, push up and out through the top of your head, and exhale, lower down. Do a few of those. Feel the back muscles engaging when you do that, and then we add the arms. So when you add the arms, you're not just using arms to crank yourself up. Take the tops of your arm bones, the head's here, back, chest, open. Keep that and extend from tailbone to top of head. Inhale, lift up, and take several breaths here. Maybe you hold about 30 seconds, and then you exhale, lower down, and rest. You can also break this up. You could choose to, instead of holding it, do 5 reps. Your choice. Number 4, legs up the wall. So you've grabbed a wall if you're using one, and you've put your mat against the wall, the short end touching the wall. So now, let's first scooch up against the wall, and then lie down on your side, and you're going to make sure that your glutes are touching the wall. So when you first lie down, a lot of times you see there's this space. If you throw your legs up the wall now, it will be challenging, let's put it that way, to try to adjust. So adjust now, scooch. And then you're a little bit forward on your mat so you won't roll off. And then roll up, legs up the wall. And your palms face up, arms out to the sides. Adjust as you need, and then gently close your eyes. Number 5 is to help aid in digestion and relieve tension in your low back. So lie on your back, and this is called wind releasing pose. Draw your knees into your chest, inhale, and on an exhale, pull the belly in and allow that pulling in to draw the knees in closer, and take several breaths here, holding 30 to 60 seconds. When you're done, you release the feet down and roll to one side to come up. Whether you suffer from pancreatitis or you want to support the healthiness of your pancreas, I hope this series helped you. Please let me know which video you'd like me to make for you next. And thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.